My life wasn't always this way.
Discover your power and purpose and live your greatest life.
My brothers and sisters. So throughout my life, I too have been scared. I've been lied to. I've been heartbroken. I've been stolen from. I felt betrayed. I've been lost. I followed the status quo. I followed what everyone else was doing. I did things that I didn't enjoy. I did things that I didn't like because other people thought they were the right things to do. I've done things that made me feel bad inside. I've stolen. I've done all that stuff. I've done drugs. I've done everything in the past. Alright? Throughout my life, I've done all that stuff. And although looking at it now, I think, wow, that's insane that I did that. I can't believe I did that stuff. I can't believe I felt that way. I can't believe I let myself live that way for so long. I can't believe I let myself live with those emotions for so long. I look at everyone nowadays and I see so many people letting themselves live with those emotions. And it hurts me to see that. For them not to be able to, for you not to be able to realize that you can change. You don't have to have those emotions. You don't have to live with those emotions. You don't have to live with those feelings. Your life can be so much better. I've gone through those things. And I realized that life doesn't have to be that way. Life does not have to be that way. I realized how much better life can actually be. How much better life can be. It's crazy when I look back at those times and I think everything I've gone through. Like I said, it's even crazier when I see people still going through these things and not realizing that your life can be different. When I see people going through these things their whole entire lives. When I see 50, 60, 60-year-olds, 70-year-olds going through this, having these same emotions, living with those emotions for so long. And it's sad. And you're never able to achieve more than what you're currently achieving. You're never able to push yourself to higher heights. You're never able to live the life that you want to live when you go through life with these emotions in your mind, with these emotions in your head, with these feelings, doing things that everyone else wants you to do, doing things that you don't want to do. You'll never be able to live your greatest life. I've gone through all that stuff in the past. Now I'm living my greatest life. I'm getting flown out to California in 2 days to speak on stage at Tai Lopez's conference. I'm doing things with my life that I didn't think were possible back then. I'm doing things with my life that everyone else would have told me was impossible. How am I doing these things in my life? Because I got within. I got within and I got that right. I dug deep and I got that right. See, we can work as hard as we want. We can work day in and day out as hard as we possibly want. Running in circles, working jobs, working long hours. But you're never going to achieve what it is you want to achieve if you're just focused on everything on the outside, on the exterior world. If you're just focusing on money, if you're just focusing on cars, if you're just focusing on making everyone else happy, you're never going to be able to live your greatest life. You have to feel good. You have to be happy. You have to control all these thoughts going through your head. Stop coming up with excuses because you grew up here. Stop coming up with excuses because your family is this. Because your family lived this way. Because you live this way. Because you went through this as a child. Stop coming up with those excuses. You're responsible for your life right now. The past does not matter anymore. The future, it is all in the future. It is all in the present and in the future. Realize where you are right now. Do you want to be happy? Okay, realize that. Let's snap your fingers, you can feel happy. So you can feel happy. Woo, this is amazing. I feel happy. With the snap of your fingers, you can feel happy. You can change anything around you. All in here. All in here. That's where it starts. You have to realize that you are responsible. You are the greatest thing to ever happen to yourself. The greatest thing. You are more powerful than you ever believed possible. When it comes down to it, you need to be happy first. You can chase money, you can chase different objects, but you will never feel true happiness. Alright? So realize that. It's all in here. It all starts in here. And for you men out there, Facebook group, okay? I built a community for guys to live their greatest life, to be pushed to limits unimaginable, to be able to do things, experience things, gain the knowledge, gain the accountability, the wisdom that you wouldn't be able to gain anywhere else. Power and Purpose is my Facebook group, and I'm gonna put the link in the comments below. This is for men only. If you want to live your greatest life, if you want to gain knowledge, if you want to have the accountability, if you want to be able to push yourself to heights unimaginable, join the group. Join the group. We got a lot of awesome bonuses in there, a lot of free content in there for you as well. Join that group. For everyone, I did put together a course, Law of Attraction course. It is being released in a couple days, so it's $57 right now. We still got the, and if you join the group, you get another discount in the group. But it's $57 right now. sign up, get within right. Get that right in there. You'll live your greatest life. The video is a little long, but I'm glad you watched it. Hope you watched it. Aim high. Obviously you watched it if you heard this. But aim high. Let's keep doing it, guys. We're in this together. Come on.